This is Ava eating a popsicle after she had her dinner. Alright, here you go. She likes sucking the juice out. And then she crunches the ice when she... Is that good? Here, let me push it up a little. Push up a little more. Mmm. She only has 2 front teeth. She gums it. Good. Don't ask. Stay focused, Ava. Stay focused. She eats the whole thing. Just like this. Oh, there it goes. Too much. You take a bite. Your daddy bite it for you. What's this? I'm videotaping.
Okay, the girls are going to 7, and then we're going to go eat.
Look at this. Look at this. Watch. She knows how to suck the juice out.
Hey, it's Rochelle. How are you? How are those girls? Okay, good deal. Ariel was about bugged me to death about coming over there.
And made Mama want a popsicle. You made Mama want a popsicle. Okay. We're at the critical stage. Daddy's got to hold it like this.
Well, they're in their rooms for about half an hour. Working though, I have to eat real fast. And then I'll probably send her over there. She's already moved some of her luggage.
Okay, try this out.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Listen, have her, when you guys drive this way, just come to my side of the apartment because I'm back in my apartment. Okay, bye.
Like what?
Well, like, I was just trying to ask some questions about, well, first off, here's the whole story behind it all. Larry and I have been talking on the phone, and we were talking about some arts and crafts supplies.
Mm-hmm.
And I told Larry, I said, well, Larry, I think I've got some if we need it. He said, oh, no, Mr. Chad has a ton of arts and crafts supplies. You guys just need to find them. I said, okay. So today when I talked to Claudine, she told me she hasn't been able to find them. And so a little bit ago, like we're talking maybe an hour ago, I said, Claudine, did you ever find those arts and crafts supplies? And she goes, no. And I said, so what are we going to do? She goes, oh, well, Larry told me you had some. And I'm thinking, so where, this whole place doesn't communicate well. Because then I'm thinking, so at what point were you guys going to tell me, okay, Rochelle, we do need your stuff?
Right.
I'm just saying this. If I was in charge of this whole trip, it would be done completely different.
Here, Ava. This is a better one. This has got juice in it. She's done one. And that, ladies and gentlemen,
Okay, Brittany takes one
is
in
how
the
Ava
morning
eats a
and one at night.
popsicle.
Liz takes one in the morning, one at night. Are you kidding me?